minus times plus is equal to what? Minus. Yeah, you're welcome guys to my YouTube channel. What I want to teach you today is something that you find very important, especially for those of us that we are beginners in mathematics. You understand? These are things that at the end of the day people find difficult, because why? They do not understand the basics of these things. Let's into it. Now we want to talk about multiplication rules for science. Multiplication rules for science. For those of us that will be solving algebra, will be solving simultaneous equations, will be solving quadratic equations, and the rest of them, we need to put in place all these rules. We need to understand what it means. Now, what are those rules now? The first one is that plus times plus is equals to what? Is equals to plus. When you are dealing with any number that has plus in front of it, and you are multiplying a number that has plus in front of it, you get what? You get plus. You understand? So that's how it works. Then minus times minus is equals to what? Is equals to plus. You have to understand these rules. So the moment you understand these rules, you are easy to go. You are good to go. Now another one is what? Minus times plus is equal to what? Minus. Minus times plus is equal to what? Is equal to minus. Just relax. Watch this video again and see that with all this you are good with equation. Now the last one, which is going to be what? Plus times minus, which is equals to what? Equal to minus. Equal to minus. So these are the what? The rules for what? For multiplication. When you want to multiply a number, you look at the sign in front of it. Let's assume that we have two, let's say 2 into bracket 4. You want to multiply this. Now what you need to know is that this place here has what we call plus sign in front of it. Here also what has plus sign in front of it. So 2 times 4 will give us what? Will give us 8. So definitely this place is what has a plus sign in front of it. You understand? And also, if you now say minus 2 into bracket, that this bracket simply stands for multiplication. So minus 2 into bracket minus 4 close bracket will give us what? Minus times minus will give us what? Will give us plus. So we say what? It is 8. Still having plus in front of it. Still having plus in front of it. In front of it. Then if you now say minus 2 into bracket plus, which is what? Ordinary 4, which will give us what? This is a minus sign in front of it, and then this what? This is a plus sign in front of this. So by the time you multiply, minus times plus will give us what? Will give us minus. Will give us what? Minus 8. Also, the last one, which is plus times minus, we have what? 2 into bracket 4. That is minus 4. So by the time you multiply, plus times minus will give us what? Give us minus, equal to what? Minus 8. So as time goes on, we'll be using this rules in other videos as well. We'll be using them in other videos as well. So I want you to memorize them, understand them, so that whenever we are applying them in other videos, you will know that this is what we are simply talking about. So that is the rule for multiplication of signs. So thank you. If you have watched this video up to this extent, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification button so that whenever I drop new videos based on simple calculations like this that you can teach others, simple calculation like this, you will get notified. And please, if you have any question you want to ask, you can put it on the comment section. I will do well to answer your question on the comment section. Thank you guys. I really appreciate your time. Thank you.